Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. I'm Like You It. Now I have these 5 practical tips that you can use in your daily life. They are not with a specific topic, so surely they find something very useful. Without more ado, let's see what they are. Do you have a meeting but do not have enough to make eyes? Do not worry, just grab a plastic or cardboard container for eggs. Cut the lid since you will only use one in a case of plastic and voila, you have an instant ice tray. And that apart from everything, they are very easy to get. Just put it to the freezer, and you will have much more ice for your party. Are you fed up with your hand on your phone because you are very wide, and you can't draw absolutely anything? Just grab an envelope, either potatoes or cakes. Just make sure you have the metal part inside. Cut out a square more or less than 5 centimeters, and put it in a normal pen, and ensure it with a leak so that it does not move. After this, you can easily draw as it will work as a stylus, and you will no longer have problems drawing what you want. Are you afraid to thunder an egg because the oil is very hot and fear that they can splash them when they do crashed eggs? There is a very simple and practical solution. They take a dish that is deep and deposit their egg there. Apart from that, it is less possible that it will be. This will give them the confidence to put us in the oil without bringing their hands so much and will save them anything in them. Will a relative or friend come to visit and all they have is the flight number and do not know the schedule and want to check it quickly because they are going to go through it or simply want to check the status? Just get the Google search engine and put as the flight number is. In this case, it is the Y-997 and will display them at the beginning of the page the flight that is and what company. Here they can check the schedule, date and everything in real time. For example, here he tells me that he is delayed and for how many minutes, so he can foresee to arrive a little later without having to wait so long, and they will no longer have problems remembering in which terminal, time and flight company came, but only a number. Do you want to go to the store or super and just want to take money and maybe a card? Just buy your phone from these full silicone covers, and the next time, they only put some tickets and a card behind the phone. And they will fit perfectly, without being inappropriate at all as you can see on the screen. As if they only carry the phone, they will no longer have to load with the entire wallet, and in the case of women with the whole bag. Apart from that, they will have it safe without falling because they are trapped between the case and the cell phone. As they could see, these were 5 very practical tips without a particular topic to make a little easier their lives, or simply know another way in which things can always be done that is always good, and without spending a single penny. That is always the main point in this channel, that they are tips where they can save or not spend absolutely anything. As you know, if you like this video, give it a little man, subscribe, share with all your family, friends and acquaintances, give you like on the Facebook page and check the other videos, since I assure you that some of them will be very useful. Thanks for seeing us and hopefully they like these tips. As always, see you in the next videos. Thank you.